Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Microsoft Outlook. This is an important security task that helps keep your email account protected, especially if you suspect unauthorized access or simply want to update your credentials regularly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for all your emails to load completely. This ensures that Outlook has fully connected to your account and all settings are accessible. Give it a moment if you have a lot of emails, as the app needs to sync everything properly before you can make changes. Once your inbox is loaded and everything looks normal, it's time to navigate to the password settings. Look at the very top of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to click on the one labeled File. This is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings and account management options in Outlook. After clicking on File, a menu will open up on your screen. Direct your attention to the right side of this menu. Here you'll notice a drop-down option called Account Settings. Go ahead and click on it, and additional options will reveal themselves. From this list of options, you'll see Account Settings appear again as a clickable item. Click on this second Account Settings option to proceed. An Account Settings window will now appear on your screen. This is where all your email accounts and their configurations are managed. At the top of this window, you'll see several tabs. Look for and click on the Data Files tab. This tab contains information about all the accounts linked to your Outlook application. Now scan through the list of accounts displayed and locate the specific account for which you want to change the password. Click on it once to select it, making sure it's highlighted. Once selected, you'll see a Settings button, typically located below or to the side of the account list. Click on Settings to open the detailed configuration options for that account. Here's where the actual password change happens. In the Settings menu that appears, you'll directly see an option labeled Change Password. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter some information. First, you'll need to type in your old password in the designated field. This is a security measure to confirm that you're the authorized user making this change. Below that, you'll see two additional fields requiring you to enter your new password. Make sure you type the exact same password in both fields to confirm it. This double entry system prevents typos and ensures you remember what you've just set. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've entered your old password and confirmed your new password twice, click on OK to save these changes. Then click on Apply to ensure all modifications are properly implemented across your account. Your password has now been successfully updated in Microsoft Outlook, and you'll need to use this new password the next time you log in. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.